Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're tackling the biggest mountain in language learning, actually opening your mouth and speaking. Joining me is my friend and fellow language struggler, Zane.
Hey everyone, and by struggler, she means I once tried to order a sandwich in English and accidentally told the waiter I was very delicious instead of saying the food was delicious.
Exactly. And that's what we're talking about today. How to move past that fear and get those words flowing.
Okay, Sarah, let's be real. I can read English, I can listen to English podcasts, but the moment a real person looks at me and says, "How's it going?" my brain turns into a Windows 95 computer trying to run a modern video game. It just freezes.
That's because speaking is a physical skill, Zane. It's like swimming. You can watch 100 videos of people swimming, but the moment you jump in the water, you're going to splash around like a panicked poodle.
Accurate. So how do I stop being a panicked poodle?
You start with the low-stakes solo. Talk to yourself. I know it sounds like you've lost your mind, but narrate your day. I am making coffee. This coffee smells great. Where is my spoon?
So I'm the main character of my own boring movie?
Exactly. It builds muscle memory. Your tongue and teeth need to learn where to go without you thinking about it.
Okay, solo practice is fine, but what about the social scares? How do I talk to real people without the sweating?
Use the script method. Before you go to a cafe or a meeting, memorize 3 safety phrases. Instead of worrying about every word, have a pre-packaged sentence ready to go. Like, could you say that a bit slower? Or, I'm still practicing my English, bear with me.
That's actually a huge relief. It's like having a cheat code in my pocket.
And remember, communication greater than perfection. If you say, I go store, instead of I am going to the store, did the person understand you?
Probably.
Then you won. English speakers care about the information, not the grammar labels.
Wait, let's wrap this up before I go talk to my toaster for practice. Here's what I learned today. 1. Narrate your life. Talk to yourself at home to build mouth muscle memory. 2. Use scripted phrases. Have 2 to 3 safety sentences ready for real-life situations. 3. Forget perfection. Your goal is to be understood, not to be a walking grammar textbook. And 4. Record yourself. This is a new tip. Listen back to your voice. It's cringy at first, but it helps you hear your own progress.
Spot on, Zane. You're ready to graduate from panicked poodle to confident conversationalist.
Now, we want to hear from you. What is your safety phrase? That one sentence you use whenever you get stuck in a conversation.
Leave it in the comments below. And if you want to join our No Judgment English Club, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.
Happy speaking, everyone. Catch you in the next one.
Bye. Don't tell your toaster I sent you.